How to show the customer's text also on the packaging slip? Yes, that's a very good question, and we should have a look how you can set this up. So I suggest directly go to Settings, go to Shipping and Delivery, then scroll down to Packaging Slips. This is right here, Packaging Slip Template, and then go to Edit. I also recommend to open up our knowledge base. There you will find a detailed explanation. And you can simply scroll down because you will now need this kind of code. Copy it. Go back to your packaging slip template, scroll down. My favorite position is the row 135, so I will simply check the numbers on the left. 135, I will click into it, paste my code here and hit the save button. Now you're already finished and the customer's text will be also visible on the packaging slip.